Hello everyone. In the last few presentations, we have looked into various aspects of agriculture, its importance, and how the technology benefits can be accrued. Also, there may be variations with respect to how far the technologies can be applicable, and also the importance as well as the depth of the technology applications vary. These include information technology, AI, blockchain in various fronts and benefits. And also, there is another term called prosumer, which combines the term producer and consumer because of the multiple benefits as well as how the new concept of prosumer will be applicable. Hello, I'm Ravindra Gadak. In the next few slides, I'll be looking into the digital transformation, IoT, blockchain, and prosumer in agriculture. How the technology is reshaping the future agriculture. Digital transformation, like in any other industry, is important in agriculture because digital transformation is revolutionizing agriculture, being important and sole effect of the food production as well as comprising of various fronts. It is important and application will be beneficial. The key technologies like IoT, blockchain, AI, and big data are important in their fullest application. Also, they enable efficiency, transparency, and sustainability. Let us look into each and every aspect of this new technologies and also how they complement each other and combine. IoT, blockchain, and AI are individually as well as in combination are transforming because these technologies not only apply individually but they can be clubbed together for making the fullest benefit. For example, AI and IoT, AI, IoT, and blockchain, AI, blockchain ledger. So these multiple techs, when properly applied, will be very important and having the complementation and compatibility so that the fullest benefits for this are accrued. So, with this background, let us see individually how Internet of Things enables smart farming through real-time data collection. Sensors help monitor soil, weather, and livestock conditions because livestock also form part of the component of agriculture. And by this, we can monitor the exact conditions also and look into the various aspects. So, in nutshell, it improves the efficiency and reduces waste. Smart sensors and monitoring in farming are important. IoT sensors measure soil moisture, temperature, and humidity. Also, it helps in automated irrigation systems in agriculture and optimize water usage. Livestock tracking improves health management. While we know that IoT optimizes supply chain and tracking, the images and tracking they record the exact processes in real time. Also, this helps in precision farming, precision irrigation, and natural systems efficiency and harnessing together. The diagrammatic representation indicates how far the different aspects and ramifications can benefit agriculture. This aspect is already being operated in many countries in various degrees, but still there are a lot of scopes considering that many of the governments as well as many of the conditions of the farmer vary and to make the fullest benefit it is important to transform each and every country's farmers. With this, let us also look into an important component of blockchain technology in agriculture. Blockchain enhances transparency in food supply chains. It is ensuring secure, decentralized system for tracking produce from farm to table. Also, it reduces fraud and improves food safety, which is one of the important component to for the benefit of farmers, consumers, and large population as a whole. We know that step-by-step blockchain tracking from farm to consumers is important because, as indicated diagram in the diagram, farm production, processing, transportation, retail, these can be integrated in a very interconnected way, and this supply chain management in food and agriculture system is important because it involves many steps and multiple care to be taken exactly to assess the condition and also for the benefit of each and every process so that it is ensuring the authenticity. Smart contracts and fair trade. The farmers can be benefited in various ways. For example, blockchain smart contracts automated the transactions. There will not be need for waiting and the process once the agreement is there, it can be followed in a smoother way. Farmers receive fair payment without intermediaries, which will be direct benefit to the farmers, avoiding the intermediaries. It also reduces delays and ensures transparency, which is important in the context of multiple players in agriculture. So with this also we can look into the another term which is called as a prosumer. A prosumer is both a producer and a consumer, and with the explosion and advent of social media, many are aware of the exact processes, how the food is produced and what are the conditions, so that they have become more informed persons. So the prosumer and in the agriculture context is important because in agriculture, consumers actively participate in food production. It encourages local farming and self-sustaining communities. So here is a diagrammatic representation of comparison of traditional versus consumer-driven farming. In the first case, it will be industrial, large scale, and efficiency with machines and scales. However, in the second diagram, it is indicated how farm to producer, smaller units and nature friendly are important and in the context of sustainable and consumer awareness because consumer awareness and tastes are driving the demand unlike the total production. So quality also is becomes important. So consumer in urban and vertical farming. Urban and vertical farming enables small scale food production and it, the smart technologies help individuals grow their own food, ensuring the authenticity as well as dependency on their own in a perfect way. Also, it reduces reliance on large agricultural corporations, which may be important in the current context of sustainability. Benefits of digital agriculture and consumerism, sustainability and reduce food waste, direct trade between farmer and consumer. So this ensures that the benefits as well as advantages of authenticity are ensured and it will be benefit for the consumer to ensure that how the process of food is produced and also for the farmer to the satisfaction that it is reaching the right consumer without any intermediaries. However, there are also major challenges in adopting digital agriculture. These include multiple challenges in terms of the development as well as acceptance by the public in general, and hence it varies in different scales. Also, costs are involved in at least initial stages to develop the infrastructure and ensuring that there is smooth operations of all the technologies involved. Also, there are regulatory concerns because the governments vary with respect to the how far the regulations are applicable, while some countries are very friendly and allow lot of freedom, but there are many countries where still there are concerns with respect to regulations. And also, food, nutrition, energy security is important in this context. With all this also, there are bright future in agriculture once we know the advantages and benefits of technologies. AI-driven automation for smart farming, tokenized agriculture markets using blockchain. Also, decentralized food production and distribution, which will ensure the smoother process and plugging the gaps in most of the channels and supply chains. Opportunities for farmers and consumers. Policy support for digital agriculture is important so that the benefit and applications of large scale can be harnessed properly. New business models in decentralized farming, considering the importance of farmer as a producer and prosumer, the concept is important. Increased awareness and sustainable food production is also important to ensure the process of applications of multiple technologies. So there are key takeaways that digital transformation is reshaping agriculture, IoT and blockchain specifically improve efficiency and transparency. Prosumerism drives localized and sustainable farming. Hence, the final thoughts can be summarized like this. The future of agriculture depends on technology adoption, encouraging collaboration between farmers, consumers, and tech innovators is important for the benefit. Also, I joined the movement for a sustainable food production. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and also subscribe to my channel and join the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much.